getting off really early in
Oh,
like a
I
consistent
bet
schedule.
you do.
What is-
I do.
Okay, there we go.
Where the hell can I put this? Oh, put it there. Okay.
Dude, you got some good hands on you, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Oh, Shep does, dude, because Shep's like demolishing his hands. This fucking whatchamacallit it.
Dude, Chase,
Yo, man.
there's a six-pack here.
I know, man. We're gonna keep that for later when we need it, man. And I'm gonna need it.
Also, should we go to the game chat? Because you are in game chat already.
Oh, am I? Oh, oops. There.
Yeah.
I can turn it off.
I'm kind of down to go to game
Okay.
chat. He's like, fun.
You want to go to game chat?
How do we do
Okay. We're just down on D-pad activates the microphone, and then we just.
Hello? Hello?
that? Hello? I think.
You can hear me?
There we go. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Yo. Make sure to mute
Yeah, I can hear
yourself
you.
in the party on the Discord if we're gonna
Can you
do
hear me?
this. Yes. 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 George, you need to
Can you
mute
hear me?
yourself. I can, yeah. Can you hear me, Chase?
Hello,
Yo. Hello?
Shep, Rigby,
Yo.
Hello?
Joe.
I'm here.
I can hear you.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no,
butter, butter.
Mr. Incredible's in the corner.
Okay, I think we got everything we need.
I think we'd have to catch a
Wait,
fish, don't we?
something on the silent, dude.
Well, bro, you got to mute in Discord.
How do I do that?
Go to Discord and press mute.
Hello?
There we go.
There we go.
Did it work?
Catch at least one
Yes.
fish for dinner, make a big
Okay,
fire.
Which one of these you wearing?
Coasters.
I just fucking snatched it.
Oh, there he is. What's that, Ship?
Fuck, man, you fucking tossed it, man.
I didn't know how to drop it, dude. So strong.
These are hats? Are these wigs?
Okay, fellas, we ready?
Oh, shit. Yo.
Here we go. Can I hear you in game?
Ye-
What the?
Is it
fuck?
not working?
Oh my god, there it goes.
Can you hear me? Hello? No,
Us.
I think
Can
we're
you guys
still
hear me?
waiting for Rigo now.
Can you guys not hear me?
Are we? Here we go.
Hello?
Press down D-pad.
I am.
Yeah,
Or it's
that didn't
like-
work. Go into your settings and change your active microphone.
Toggle.
Bugging.
Stuck it out, dude.
Is that not working still? Hello? Yo. That not work? Oh wait, is that working
Yeah.
now?
God.
No? Or yes?
Oh my god, Ship, you killed me. I got a broken leg now.
What the fuck?
What's your active microphone set to, Regan? When you go to options, sound,
motherfucker.
and your input device.
Darn.
The controller. Hold on. I believe you can hear me here, Chase. It's at the controller right now, so fucking yeah. I'm in the game chat is why. I'm not game chat, but I'm in the party. It says it's going off the fucking headset, and it's showing like a little weird ass bar.
And you press down D-pad
It's blue.
to toggle your. Oh. Well, if we want to, let's just talk here then in Discord.
I guess so.
Okay.
Sorry, gents. God forbid this thing fucking worked.
Make sure everyone mutes in game that we're not hearing doubles.
Nope.
Not
Hear
even.
me
Nope.
twice, dude.
Okay. Get in when you're ready, Shep.
Oh my god, dude. We can do doobies.
Can I not
All right.
drop
Does
it?
anyone have a map?
Let's see.
You might want that plank, by the way.
We can't put it in here unless we can put it on outside.
Really not? Damn.
Not the same thing, dude.
What the hell is this? Who witched the tree, bro?
That crazy guy over there, dude.
Are we winched to a tree right now?
Yeah.
I fixed it.
Open
Okay.
hatch. Okay. Oh wait, attach
Someone
self.
just hold that.
Wait, Chase, hand me that piece of wood. Oh,
Okay.
hold on. Is that you, bro?
Hold on, coming.
It's coming out.
Where the fuck the wood go?
Come on,
Fucking
Chef.
ships taking it to the roof. There we go.
Oh shit! Now he like completely flew up.
Throw it to us.
Whee. Oh shit! He
Okay.
grabbed it. Can you attach it?
Can't attach here.
What the fuck do
Dude,
you eat? Where else?
I'll just hold it, dude. It's
Damn.
cool.
Okay, yeah, just hold it.
Just hold it on the roof, dude.
Alright, let's go.
Where's the map though? We just gonna pray to God we find the way.
I figure there's a map somewhere. Was there not one over there?
Glove compartment,
Maybe.
owner's manual. There's some crazy shit. Uh-huh.
Ship has shut off the vehicle.
Smoking also makes you faster.
It
Interesting.
does.
Storage attached to points. Communication. And I'm basically a fucking certified driver now.
A mechanic, dude.
Oh, Chase, I'm fucking retarded. There's a map right here.
Perfect.
Can I zoom out?
Okay,
bro?
fella. Oh, who winched us again, ship?
No?
I love the no.
Where the fuck? Oh,
Could someone unwitch us?
Yeah, I
that's
got you.
that's where we're at. Okay, then where are we trying to go though?
Wait. Alright.
Where the hell are we supposed to go?
Well, you know, we'll figure it out.
We're not wasting gas doing this.
I don't think so. No, I think there's gas.
Oh, Chase.
Okay, is everyone in here?
Yeah, I guess so.
Wait, where's ship?
Check the witch.
He's in the closet.
That was no closet, was it?
Let me know.
Identifying retards.
Okay, so that's where we are. I don't know why the fuck it blinks, but that is where we are. I think. Are we just sightseeing? Are we going to the campsite? Oh no, that's where we are.
We're going
Okay.
home to Route 67.
Alright, keep going, Chase. Keep following the path. It says there's a fucking gap somewhere in the middle of the bridge, though.
Damn, dude. I
No, we're
fucking
good.
This is a steep
shifting this
ass hill. How
thing
do
is
we get
fucking
up there?
horrible.
Oh, is that
What the
boulders?
hell?
Oh my god, rock slide!
Boulders, dude. It's boulders.
Oh.
Keep following the path, Chase. Keep going.
You got it, Captain.
Full steep ahead, Chase.
Oh my god.
Why is it- There,
Dude,
what
there's
the
Mount.
fuck is happening there?
There's Mount Wang, dude.
Oh my
Mount Wang.
Dude, Chase.
Holy frilly. Oh my god. Holy smoly.
God, take it off the ship more. Take it off the ship more.
Oh, it
Okay,
says
I
right
guess we're
here.
going left. Oh,
It says detour, so we have to go around.
can y'all like set up the planks good for me?
Oh, snap. Hold on. Can I put it back in here?
It's like touching the winch over there. The winch. Oh.
That just won't do me. Let's see. Easy.
Wait. Wait. Made it
Awesome.
work.
Hold on, these. Like this.
What are you doing, man?
Good enough. I guess I think this will work. We're just gonna have to drive it really carefully. We can reinforce the sides, make it so. Oh shit, she's going.
Does it look lined up in my wheels? So I go.
You keep
like this or
going.
no?
Keep going. Oh shit! Holy shit!
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
there they go, dude.
Okay.
Can we really not attach these? It said that you could attach it to these things up there. Oh my god.
Nope.
No.
I mean the big ones we can. I think that's the small one.
Whoa, man.
Can't think
Whoa.
of-
Whoa, man. Hey, whoa, man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Hey, I'm fucking just.
Oh shit, bro.
For hell. I'll carry everyone in.
The wood guys
All
here.
right. Income, Captain.
Captain, you left ship. He's
going.
hanging on the winch, dude. On the hitch.
Oh, okay.
Whee!